I've met people here before, so we were aware of the program. So we were one of the lucky schools to apply early and receive a scholarship and help to come down.
Before today, I wasn't that interested because we never really did labs in our school, but now that we're doing labs, it seems interesting.
I just like learning about all the stuff that they do here. And all the labs they do and everything, they try to make new medicines and all that. I just think it's interesting.
I thought it would be boring here, but it's actually really fun because they do hands-on activities.
Of what I got to see so far, I was really interesting, and I would really like to come back here another time.
What we really want to do is develop self-efficacy in our kids. We want them to have the confidence to know that they can do science. And also, we want, part of this middle school is building social skills. So the socialization of the bus ride here, the whole experience here being a total positive experience, that when they think about the day, they're just going to be positive from the time they got on the bus to the time they got off the bus. So this part is, again, kind of where you sneak the education in. So, they're learning, and what's really impressive about this is we're a 4-day-a-week school. So these kids are here on their own dime today. This is a Friday. They don't have to be here. So their interest is driven to be here, and so that's really impressive.